Hey folks, guess what I'm doing today? I'm opening, I think it was a 1981 Flair package. I think this is their premiere. It was like last year that gun had a loss against Topps putting gum in their card. That's why a lot of cards have like stickers and puzzles and all that fun stuff. So they've never been opened, untampered, I hope. Back side. And you got the front side. So there's 4 of them today. Let's see what side. I actually should have packaged made it worth money. Really stale. So the first one is Rich Gale. That's what they look like. And the back side of it. Let's see if I can find some cards or players I recognize. So far, I like that old. So far, nope. No, Toby. Nope. Oh, Hall of Famer. Jim Palmer. There we go. That's Hall of Famer. Hall of Fame right there. Roger Eckers. We'll give you. Okay. So far, one good card. From the hospital, so you know this announcement coming up. So, maybe like me, but except for that one, trying to shoot out steel gum. So got the second package. So once again, opening 4 packages. Oh, Chris Murphy. So kind of this little Giants. This is a rookie card. Gotta look up his stats. Gary, or Gary Rary. Oh, Hall of Famer manager. Wayne LaRussa. Right there, I think he's back with the White Sox right now, 2021. These cards are kind of weird. I had some good ones. Got a young rookie here. Young rookie. Mitchell Page. Oh. This guy was really famous, the Bird. I think I have a bunch of his cards. The Bird, of course. This is like his last year in the majors. He went to the minors after that to Boston system. He had a great rookie year. He had like, I think a 17-9 record. This guy looks like Willie Harrison. But it's not Willie Harrison. So I have those packs. Frank White. Got a rookie here. I already talked about him on rookie. Most of these cards, it tells their batting average and their ERA on the back side. So far 3 good cards in the package. And very old stale gum. Opening the 3rd package right now. Oh, Dusty. I don't know about this guy. I thought I'd find a Hall of Famer. Marshall Mills. Jerry. This guy looks like a mugshot or something. This guy looks like creepy as hell. God. He started his career in 1967. I like the old 70s style beards. John Bidge, Steve Rogers. Oh, Joe Morgan, Hall of Famer. Hall of Famer Joe Morgan card. That's cool with Astros. He died and he used to be at broadcasting. You know, Nobody knew. I thought it was Bruce Bochy, but not. Steve Howell. This guy could have been a great player, but cocaine, drugs are bad kids. Right, his career. That's his rookie card. No rookie. Check again. Got hit. I go Bananas card rookie. Rookies. John Bochy. This is rookie. I didn't have like top rating rookies already this time. Pretty much have this guy's Steve Howell. Let's see how much he's worth. He could have a career, but cocaine, drugs are bad. Don't do drugs. They're bad. Last package. Baseball card only $4. Favorite team. Oh, this guy does broadcasting for the Giants, their TV thing. He played the Giants and the other teams. These cards are weird. They're kind of sticky. Always like the 70s style. Mickey Hatcher. I knew about him. Rick. Manager. Yeah, manager. At least it tells you know, in the tops, they're supposed to do the stats behind there. Hey, look at this, the oldest music, never heard of him. Manny Otsumoto. See what kind of. Going to gum. So I guess it's this rookie year. That's. This guy played years. Padres, Dodgers, Expos 1 year. He had a good long career, decent career, I guess. So, Mary Service, Mary Service, I guess he served Vietnam. Military service, 1963. Yeah, seeing cards I recognize, ring players I recognize. Well, maybe 4 packs, maybe 5 are decent or I liked. Yeah, I got some Hall of Famers, 2 Hall of Famers, actually 3 Hall of Famers. So, good with this. I got it from Amazon. I think it cost me maybe like $20 the whole 4 packs. Alright, like and subscribe, tell me what you think, and maybe I'll do better next time, alright? Thank you for watching. Bye.